The 2024 Tesla Model X PLAID is a groundbreaking electric SUV that redefines performance, blending family-friendly utility with supercar-like acceleration. Equipped with 3 electric motors producing a combined 1,020 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, this vehicle offers an unparalleled driving experience. CRSCOLLECTON.com, Performance and acceleration. One of the most striking features of the Model X PLAID is its acceleration. Despite its substantial weight of over 2,400 kilograms, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds. This rapid acceleration is accompanied by a unique, almost silent surge of power, a characteristic of Tesla's electric drivetrain. Autopilot Magazine. Autopilot System. Tesla's advanced autopilot system enhances the driving experience by managing tasks such as lane changes, highway entries and exits, and traffic-aware cruise control. This system requires the driver to keep their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, but it significantly reduces fatigue during long drives. CRSCOLLECTON.com, Interior and Features. The Model X PLAID's interior is designed for both comfort and functionality. It features Tesla's signature minimalist design, dominated by a large, horizontally mounted touchscreen that controls most of the vehicle's functions. The unique yoke-style steering wheel adds a futuristic touch, though it may require some acclimation for drivers accustomed to traditional steering wheels. Autopilot.com, Range and Charging. With a 104 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Model X PLAID offers an estimated range of approximately 540 kilometers on a single charge. Tesla's extensive supercharger network facilitates convenient and rapid charging, making long-distance travel more practical for electric vehicle owners. Autopilot.com. Driving experience. The Model X PLAID delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The immediate torque provides swift acceleration, while the all-wheel drive system ensures stable and confident handling. The vehicle's low center of gravity, a benefit of its battery placement, contributes to its impressive road manners. Despite its size and weight, advanced technology and features, Tesla's autopilot system continues to impress, providing semi-autonomous driving capabilities that assist with steering, acceleration, and braking within marked lanes. The full self-driving FSD package, available as an upgrade, promises future enhancements, though it's essential to note that full autonomy is still pending regulatory approval. The infotainment system boasts impressive processing power, enabling in-car gaming and seamless streaming. Passengers can enjoy entertainment on the rear seat displays, making long journeys more enjoyable. The integration of over-the-air updates ensures that the vehicle's software remains current, continually enhancing functionality and performance. Practicality meets luxury. Beyond its performance credentials, the Model X PLAID offers practical features such as ample cargo space, thanks to its flat floor design and lack of a traditional engine. The Falcon Wing doors, while initially a topic of debate, have proven functional, allowing easy access to rear seats even in tight parking spaces. Conclusion. The 2024 Tesla Model X PLAID is a testament to what electric vehicles can achieve, merging blistering performance with luxury and practicality. The recent Top Speed Unlock showcases Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering unparalleled driving experiences. For those seeking an SUV that defies conventions and sets new standards, the Model X PLAID stands in a league of its own.